So when you come into the practice, you're greeted at the door by one of the receptionists, and you sit in the rather lovely patients' lounge actually, and you're offered a tea, coffee, whatever it is you like, which is nice and not something I suspect you get in all practices. So it's immediately quite a calming atmosphere, and I'm quite anxious, and I think like a lot of people are with dentists. Actually, it was on my first visit here that when my teeth were first checked at this practice, that it was determined I needed an implant, which I was immediately very anxious about, more than normal. And then Dr. Asani spent some time talking me through, the number of treatments I would require and how the process would work. And I was still very anxious, having heard that, but I knew I needed the treatment. So went away, came back for the next for the first session of treatment, and as each session went through, I started off by gripping the chair, but it wasn't necessary at all. As each session went on, I became more and more relaxed, and in fact, the very final session I had, I fell asleep. And had to be woken up at the end. I denied falling asleep, but they did have to wake me up at the end. So my fear of dentists has now gone completely due to this practice. So for all the time we've been coming to this practice, I would absolutely recommend anybody else to come here. I would go so far as to say that I almost enjoy coming to the dentist now. It's actually a nice break. It's an hour's relax for me, taking time out of work. So recommend to anybody. Yeah.